I like to create a simple ikebana arrangement today by using this intricate bamboo basket that my aunt in Beppu gave me 2 years ago. Beppu is a hot spring resort and is renowned for bamboo crafts. This is truly a delicate work of art. When you have a special vase like this, you don't need to have too many flowers. Today I'm using one variety of azaleas. Azaleas are my favorite flowers to grow because they are insect and disease free and they thrive in partial shade. You may associate azaleas are either pink or white shade. This one is called Arneson Gem, has an orange hue, and then blooms are much larger, like rhododendrons. Unlike regular evergreen azaleas, this one is deciduous, with leaves turning bright hue of gold in the fall. First, I want to explain how the inside of the vase. So this basket, we need a waterproof vase. And it comes with this bamboo beautiful one, but I don't think I want to put water in here. So I am using glass one to drop in here. However, the height is a little bit shorter. I want to keep it to the lip of the basket. In order to do that, I'm just using this yogurt jar to kind of prop up this one so that it will stay at the lip. The reason you want to be closer to the basket is that so the flowers just do not go straight. If you drop here and the flower can only go this way, but if you have a base like this, the flower could cascade or spread out. So first, I want to put this one at the bottom, and I'm trying not to have glass against glass. So I'm putting a cloth and dropping yogurt jar at the bottom. Then I will put this glass jar here. So now it's closer to the height of the basket. Before I put flowers, I like to put a structure inside of this glass. And the technique I'm using is called jumonji dome, which is a crossbar fixture inside of the vase. And then I'm using these, this is already branch cut, and then I will cut here in this, the diameter. Maybe you gotta be careful because it's a glass, you don't want to push too hard. So it will look like this. Then I will do one more of this structure. Real gentle because it's a glass. And very carefully drop here, and I'll put a little bit more water. This is Japanese maple. They look so green in spring. In California where I live, the leaves can get scorched from sun, but during the springtime it's so beautiful. And this Japanese maple is called Sangokaku. The name came from a coral reef because the branches are red, and that's where the name is from. Okay, so the first I will make a shin, which is the tallest branch of the structure. I'm making a slit in here, so that will help to absorb water better for the branch. Okay, so the next one I'm gonna do Shin Soe, the second longest branch, which is about 2/3 of shin. Okay. So now I'm gonna use azalea, and then it will be around here up front. So gorgeous. And I'm just trimming brown span flowers. And this one is actually really helpful when you go into a small area to cut a delicate stems. Cut this one in half. So this one, the same thing, I want to slit and give a more surface for the azalea to absorb water. Okay, I will add more azaleas. So beautiful. There are more buds coming up. Now I'm gonna add like a small branches to fill in the gap, and bending this way so that the leaves are actually facing outside. Okay, so I'm gonna use this branch to cascade in front of vase. However, because it doesn't cascade when you put it here, I'm gonna intentionally break branch slightly, but you don't want to break all the way so the water doesn't come. Just really slightly, something like this. It's kind of almost bending. And try to, so that the leaves do not flop. Add more. So I'm happy with the flowers, the potion flowers and leaves, but because this handle is so beautiful, I wanna trim the Japanese maple leaves so that it will actually reveal the shape of the basket handle. Okay, so this is azalea and Japanese maple in a bamboo basket from Beppu.